So I've got my planner, I'm working on some 2020 things, planning, dreaming, and I'm thinking there are probably some of you who are wondering if you can finally start your own nutrition business in 2020. So if that's you, stay tuned because I'm going to show you the 4 things you need to do to start your business next year. If you're new here, my name's Jess and I create videos every single week for business owners like you to help you save time and look good online. And today we're diving into starting a business, which can be a little intimidating. There are 4 key things we're going to cover in today's video. And the first is picking a niche or a specialty for your business. I know it can be really scary to think about niching down. I avoided it for a really long time, but trust me when I say that it's so much easier to market your business and your services when you have a very specific client in mind. Like if you are going to help online women entrepreneurs, then you know a lot about that very specific demographic. The second thing you need to do is create a website. And I'm not just saying this because I'm a website designer. You can DIY your website, that's fine, but you need to have an online presence that shows you are legitimate. You are a real person with credentials. The third thing you'll need to do is create some packages, basically some offers for how people can work with you. And this can look however you want. It could be 3, 6, and 12-month offers. It could be one-on-one calls. It could be in-depth group coaching programs. It's just a lot easier for people to choose a package, kind of like how you choose a combination at a restaurant. You choose like combination plate number 3. It's a lot easier to do that rather than just pick and choose. And don't get too caught up in choosing the right or perfect packages because you can always adjust these. I have adjusted my services and my packages a lot of times over the last 8 years. And the fourth and final thing you need to do to start growing your nutrition business is start providing value for free. This can look like blog posts, videos, podcasts, TikTok videos, whatever you want to do to provide value to your audience and start showing up. There's a lot of bad nutrition advice out there. And the reason it gets more attention is because those people start showing up a lot more consistently than the people who have real nutrition advice to share. So if you want to drown out all the bad health advice on the internet, you need to start showing up and talking louder. And again, this is where picking a niche can be helpful because when you have a very specific client in mind, it's a lot easier to provide really valuable content for that specific person. Now, there are a lot of things we didn't cover, like growing your email list, legally protecting yourself, what to put on a website, a lot of other things. So be sure and check out these videos for more help. If you have any questions, leave it in the comments below and I will see y'all next time.